The AMZCHEF Espresso Machine features a sleek stainless steel design with a user-friendly LED touchscreen, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen or office. With its impressive 20-bar pressure system, this espresso machine extracts the full flavor and rich oils from coffee grounds, ensuring a consistently intense taste. The powerful 1,350-watt motor allows for rapid preheating, reaching optimal temperature within 30 to 40 seconds for efficient brewing. Equipped with a professional-grade milk frothing steam wand, this machine creates creamy microfoam, perfect for enhancing the flavor of your coffee and allowing for milk froth art. The AMZCHEF Espresso Machine is thoughtfully designed with a 41-ounce removable water tank, making it easy to refill and clean, ensuring long-term maintenance and convenience. Ideal for both coffee enthusiasts and professional baristas, this machine comes with essential accessories, including a portafilter and tamper, to cater to all your coffee-making needs.